Right, hi everyone. Well, I'm back yet again to continue with this welding marathon on the P6 Rover. I think I might have said last video that this week I was gonna carry on and put the splash panel in. However, I've had a little change of plan and I'm not sure what you're going to be able to see because it's really dark down there, but I'm going to carry on from this floor and get this inner sill sorted out. I think so I can sort that bit out later. That's like quite easy now, so yeah, so that's where I am anyway, and I'm going to get myself set up, get some light in here so I can see what I'm doing, and hopefully film a bit and get a bit more done. Right, so I've cut the middle section of the floor out now, and I've just made up a piece to go in there. It's only a short section. And once I've put that middle piece in, and I'll fill this piece in here, because the piece I've made only comes up to there, back to sort of about here. I was going to try and do it all in one section, but it's just too complicated. By the time the outer sill was all welded on, because that's quite heavy gauge, it'd be plenty strong enough. Just my folder doesn't, as I've said before, my folder is not very wide. I'm trying to bend it around a couple of bits of box sections is not ideal, so yeah, it'll be okay anyway. So I'm going to try and set the camera up to film me welding that in. This weld through primer, it does just slightly overlap. I was going to butt weld it, but I thought it'd be stronger with a slight overlap, but I thought at least if we can get some weld through primer between the two bits, it should keep the rust away, hopefully. So yeah, I'm going to set the camera up and then I'll try and film a bit. Right, so I've sort of got this half clamped in place now. Just need to push down on that a little bit, get a tack in there. I can't get a clamp around it, but that's where I need to be, I believe. So yeah, let's get the welder going. Soldered in down there now. Just showing my torch down there. Hopefully it's not too bright. But what you can see. Got that piece in and that piece in. I've just been up underneath. Welding that piece up there. I was just starting to do that piece up there, and then I've just run out of welding wire. But I do have my emergency reel. I've got a little reel that I'll keep over here, just hopefully it hasn't gone rusty, but it should be fine. It seems pretty dry. But I've got a new reel at home. I knew it must be getting close to running out, and now it has. Anyway, I want to get that changed, finish that bit off under there, then move on to the next bit. Right, so I put my new reel of wire in, and I've now finished running the welds. I don't know if that line's better or worse, to be honest. Let's all run around both sides of it now. So that's the front section of the floor sorted, bar the out sill obviously. Some of it doesn't look the prettiest, but actually looks worse with that light. That light's really bright. But some looks alright. I don't know what you can see. Seem to be just making lots of shadows of the camera. But yeah, anyway, on to the next piece. The back floor. Cool. Right, so I'm up at the back bit now. Just having a look, trying to assess what to do. You can see there's holes here. Over to there, scrape some of this undersill off, which I will be scraping the rest off eventually as well. I shan't be filming that, so yeah, I think what I'm going to do is get this bottom part of the outer sill cut off all the way right to the back now, so then we can see what we've got up under the wheel arch. It's not, oh that's bright. I mean it is rotten, but it's not actually as bad as the other side. So I think I'm going to cut it behind here to leave that. Yeah, I'm going to cut it the other side of this, which will give me that edge. Because actually the box section pieces that I had to do on the other side aren't actually quite so bad this side. Probably can't see, I know what I mean. Yeah. See that box section down there with the rubber bung in it, I had to cut the bottom out and repair the bottom on that, the other side. But this side doesn't appear too bad, even though there's a hole in the floor. So hopefully I can get away just replacing the floor part. Hopefully. Anyway, I'm going to cut some out, and then we'll see where we are. I've got the next piece cut out now, as you can see. And from underneath, because the piece I've got to weld in, I don't know what you can see there, but the floor sort of goes along and then comes around to there, so there's about 3 skins, which I think on the other side I had to repair some of this. On this side it's actually okay, so I've put some I've cleaned it all up, put some weld through primer on it, and as well as welding the floor piece in, I should put a few plug welds in here like it was originally. Well, originally it was obviously spot welded, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so I've got the panel. Oh, if I can get up. I've got the panel there, waiting to go in once the weld through primer's dry. Cool, back in a minute. Right, so I've got that bit welded in there now, and I've just seen a pinprick in it. I'll just run a bit of weld over the top of that. I can see a hole in it, but my decent light's run out again, so I really need to get some better lighting over here. Mainly so you guys can see what I'm doing. I can manage with these, but anyway, yeah, that's not too bad, I don't think. So it just leaves the final piece on the very back. This piece is all plug welded to like this box section here now, up underneath. I don't know what you'd be able to see under there. It's not the prettiest, but it's not too bad. Once it's got a bit of a clean up, ultimately it's going to have the outer sill welded along this edge anyway. Yeah, so, right, anyway, I think I'm about done for today. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm absolutely filthy, so I think I should leave that last piece until next week. Right, so, made it to the end. Sorry there's not much film of the welding, but just a few updates on here today really, and I'll catch you all next time. Right, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe if you do. If you don't, don't. And I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.